In a small town on the Chesapeake Bay, Stephen and Stacy decided to buy a sailboat. They formulate a plan to leave the real world behind and seek adventure, travel, culture, cuisine, natural history all over the world. Or at least the parts you can get to in a boat. Some flashback stuff for context. All right, baby, we're here.
So exciting!
So this is our first day on the new boat. So we are just gonna go through everything. It's an awesome, March?
Yep.
March. It's
First
March.
day of spring.
First day of spring. And we are in St. Michael's, Maryland, and we are going through all of this stuff in the boat here, and it is looking pretty cool. So here we go. We got our little chart table, our nav station, our little quarter berth. And then over here we have the little galley kitchen, which is kind of cool. And then we're going through all of this stuff. So this is kind of crazy. And then up in here we have head. And then we have the V-berth up front, which will be our domain, yes?
Yes.
All right,
Absolutely.
so it's kind of a cool day too because it's the chocolate festival in St. Michael's.
That's right.
So we're going to have a little wine at sunset, and then we are going to go to the chocolate festival. I guess they have all kinds of cool festivals in this town.
Probably.
So lots of restaurants, lots of cool shops. So we will continue to clean up.
Yep, a little elbow grease going on.
Little elbow grease. We'll go hit the chocolate festival, have a little rosé at sunset, and then have a nice dinner. So, sound good?
Sounds perfect.
Yeah?
I'm ready.
Are you ready? We're ready already.
We are ready.
Absolutely.
Start of a new adventure.
It's going to be cool. All right. So what do you think?
I think it's amazing.
Yeah? You digging it?
So digging it. I'm so ready.
Yeah? It's good stuff.
Oh yeah.
So this is our first day on the new sailboat. And we've been cleaning and signing paperwork and doing all that sort of thing. And now we're just having a little bottle of rosé. And
Hi, Mr. Duck.
yeah, there's ducks. And having a little wine and talking about all the fun we're going to have. So
Yeah.
it's pretty cool.
Very
Yeah.
relaxing.
Yeah,
Very peaceful.
it's great. So I'm pretty excited.
Me too.
You know,
I'm ready. Let's do this.
let's do this. No, it's very cool. So I'm pretty happy.
Yes.
So today is the first day of many crazy days.
Yeah.
There's our duck friends again. Hold on a second. Let's see. There's our little ducky. I think they're looking for food or something. Look at them.
Puppies and ducks.
So, what is the most exciting thing you're looking forward to with the boat?
I think learning how to sail and just getting better at that and more comfortable and more confident
Yeah.
so that we can explore all kinds of new places.
Right?
And I'm really looking forward to being anchored out in the middle of nowhere in crystal blue water and waking up to just peace and blue skies, sunshine. I'm excited for Lincoln to have this experience and learn all kinds of new awesome skills that he can take with him forever.
Yeah.
And being a family, doing all this as a family.
I think it's cool.
Awesome.
And after being locked away for and it's like a year or so with the fall and the winter and all that, and
Year of COVID.
a year of COVID,
down.
being locked in, to be just sitting here on this new beautiful boat, and
Yeah.
you know, it's an absolutely gorgeous day out, and we got wine, and there's a chocolate festival here in St. Michael's.
Why were people watching? It's kind of
Why
fun.
were people watching? So
Yeah.
you know, it's pretty cool. This is like so relaxing.
Yeah, I'm super excited to have somewhere to go this summer.
Yeah.
Somewhere different than our house. and to have this new experience.
So what we're going to do is we're going to be here in St. Michael's for another couple weeks, just getting stuff ready.
Yep.
And as soon as we have a little weather window, because it still technically kind of is winter-ish sort of thing,
Yeah.
then we're going to move it up to Rock Hall, Maryland. And that's where we will be for the entire summer. So
Very exciting. Great little marina.
yeah, it's
Not
going to
too
be awesome.
big. Just the perfect size to be able to hang out and relax and sit on the boat if we want to, or take it out and test our skills.
Absolutely.
So it's the perfect place to be this summer,
Absolutely.
and it'll be great.
Can't wait.
Me too.
So we're going to have a little dinner tonight. We're going to hit the chocolate festival here in St. Michael's.
Walk around.
And walk around, have a little champagne, and do it up a little bit. So
Yeah.
cheers.
Awesome.
Should we McKinnon it?
Let's do it.
We're out. After we finalized the sail on the boat, we spent the next few weeks, actually about a month and a half, exploring the little town of St. Michael's and getting the boat in order. St. Michael's is a beautiful little town right on the Chesapeake Bay, and it has lots of great little shops, restaurants, winery, brewery, distillery, even coffee roasters. So it was a really fun time we spent there. All right, so now we have dinner at sunset, and we have a beautiful bottle of Frog's Leap wine, and we have some brick-fired pizzas from Ava's, so this should be good. Oh Lord, look at this.
Lines are back.
We have little ducks. Okay. So we are sitting on the front of the boat at sunset. We have a beautiful bottle of wine. Very, very nice. And we have these awesome local brick-fired pizzas. And they are absolutely amazing. So what do you think of the day? Good?
Perfect.
I think it was pretty good. So we're just actually just really digging the sunset and having a little wine and pizza right on the front of the boat, and we just walked around town. It was really, really cute. There was a lot of great shops,
Yeah.
a lot of cool restaurants, and we did a beer tasting.
Yeah, that was
So
fun.
that was kind of cool. And
Yeah.
there was a couple wineries and distilleries, so that was also cool. And we got
French fries.
Parmesan fries.
Because we are
And
starving.
these look good, so good.
Dinner
Night, night.
time. Bye-bye.
After about a month or so in St. Michael's, we moved the sailboat to our new marina. You know, the Chesapeake Bay is really beautiful sailing grounds, and it's filled with amazing little towns. The sunsets are phenomenal, and our new marina had everything. A little beach, a beautiful pool, and a great sailing community. It was just great. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for new episodes. Thanks for watching.